Hey Bay East, let's check out this week's member benefit spotlight, the Holman Group. The Holman Group is a Bay East exclusive member assistance program that offers so many benefits, tools, and resources, we can't cover them all in this one video. Let's start with the primary benefit they offer: unlimited telephonic assessments for all Bay East members. This confidential assistance is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week via their nationwide 800 number, which is staffed by licensed therapists to help you in a crisis. This invaluable resource is not only available to members, but to everyone in their household and any dependents under the age of 26 who are not in the household. And it's not only available as an emergency service, appointments can also be scheduled between 7:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. This confidential assistance is available for help solving problems such as marriage and family issues, stress, grief, depression, legal and financial issues, substance abuse, suicide prevention, chemical dependency, and other real-life issues. The Holman Group also offers member savings on theme parks, including Disneyland and Universal Studios, movie tickets, car rentals, flights, cruises, electronics, hotels, and much more. There's legal and financial services, community referrals, prescription discounts, virtual subscriptions, gym memberships and fitness equipment, education resources, and the list goes on. We'll dive deeper into more great benefits offered by the Holman Group in our next video. In the meantime, you can visit their website to explore more for yourself. Visit www.holmangroup.com and enter the login information on the screen. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our Member Services Department at 925-730-4060. We'll see you next time, and as always, thanks for watching.